All right. We have spark and no, I didn't look at the. Okay, got the throttle set to low. And I oiled everywhere. Okay, that must be the wrong way because it's spouting out the... Alright, let's see now. Well, our ignition's in the right spot. Don't have a lot of compression, but again, slide valves are like that. So we'll try oiling the slide valve more. You can see I have a big bubble in the cup on the oiler for it, but it's not. Didn't take anything down. Alright. Open the fuel a bit more. Alright, let's pop this little plug out. Oh, and this is one of the new tiny plugs. Got an O-ring on it instead of the a metal washer. Let's see now. Yeah, it's got a really wide gap on it, so I'm not certain it's firing inside. Change the gap. Well, maybe that was the secret. Might have had a wide enough gap it was arcing the outside instead of firing inside. Still not wet though. So. Keep opening up the fuel needle here. This should be the right direction, because that just started the exhaust stroke. There's the exhaust valve opening for an exhaust stroke, and then intake closed for compression and fire. And, yep. Alright, well, finally getting fuel out of the exhaust, so let's pull that spark plug off again. Still dry. Well, so I have fuel dumping out of the exhaust. I am going to spin this a little bit, see if it dries out and pops, but my guess is that the exhaust valve is just not shutting properly because of that long bolt in there and it interfering with the muffler. So, and I don't know if that's the muffler got bent by, actually, oh yeah, I can just bend that muffler out of the way. Alright. Gently bend the muffler to make more room there. Oh, and suddenly we have compression. Should have been, the muffler must have been bent by customs or something. Turns out once you have compression, look at it go. Of course, it's all full of fuel now. my suspicions were correct, and I should have moved that muffler right away.